Hi guys, like I promised that I'll do a tutorial on how to do Google Ads. Google is one of the best search engines in the world, so it's an opportunity for us to utilize it to drive traffic to our website or brand, a product or service. It is safe. I have an example here. There's an example of an ad. Someone is searching for dance classes. Then an ad pops up, kids dances classes. So this is like a keyword that this guy targeted. Could whenever somebody is searching about dance classes, show up my ad. All right, so I'll show you how to create this ad so that you can drive traffic to your goal. So just wait for it to roll. All right, taking a bit time. Okay, so this is the dashboard. All your campaigns that you've created, um, they'll be shown here. They'll be landing here, this side. Now we can have at a glance the ones learning how much you've used, ABCD, the course so far. But now since we don't have a campaign, I'll just go ahead and hit new campaign so that we should create a new campaign. This is the first page that you see when you hit on a new campaign. You have to define your goal first so that Google should know better how to optimize your ads to reach more people. So is your goal to have more sales or leads or website traffic or product and brand consideration? All right, for this scenario, let's just do brand awareness. They'll ask us to choose the campaign type. Is it a video or just a display? So choose a display. So how do I want to reach the goal? I want people to be visiting my Facebook page. So say facebook.com/Blena Chisenga. All right. So I hit continue. All right. So this page now we have to customize our campaign ABCD. So each campaign have its own title so that you can distinguish from another campaign. So you can give it a name. For my sake, I'll just remove that part and say to tutorial. All right. You have to choose your target location. You can choose a city or ABCD or target all countries and all territories. For my sake, I'll just leave that country. I'll just leave Malawi. You can also specify the languages that you're targeting. Is it English, French, ABCD, Arabic? So you can specify there, but I'll just leave English, the default one. Okay. Now I'll enter my budget. How much am I willing to spend per day? Am I willing to spend $1? Am I willing to spend $2? Am I willing to spend $10 or $50 or $100 per day to reach my goal? So I'm willing to be paying $5 a day. Okay. Yeah. I'll say I'll leave that for best performance to optimize it. How many days should they be learning? Is it on the weekends or is it only on Mondays or Tuesday? I'll just say all days. We'll leave that time as well. So let the ad start today, which is May 4, 2020, and I'll put end date. Let's end on Friday, which is May 8, 2020. Okay. Frequency capping. How many times do I want the same user see the same ad? So we can choose. Let's say set a limit, maybe 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. But for me, I'll say no. Let Google optimize that for me. Okay. So you can have the ad group. You can have different ad groups to demarcate your audience ABCD. So you can rename it according to your group, to your target group. So I'll just set ad group one anyway. Okay. So what type of audience is the target audience? With what type of interest? For example, are you targeting people with some sports interest or musical interest or marketers ABCD? Let me try to search marketing, right? Okay. So yeah, I think I should target someone who is dealing with the online marketing, digital marketing services. I think this should be my target audience. Those that do content marketing, one-to-one marketing, yeah. Search engine optimization. I think I'll choose that type of audience that I should target. Okay. All right. On demographics, you can choose um, whether you want to target females or male, ABCD, or you want to target the age group. I don't want the 65 plus. I think I'll have to end at 54, from 18 to 54. Okay, I'll leave the other parameters, the default options. Okay, all right. How am I let's say for someone clicking my link, how much am I willing to spend on that link? Okay, so it's called bidding. Okay, so let me just bid for that amount. So depending how competitive is your keywords etc for that campaign, you might need to increase or decrease that. This site, they're telling me the impressions I can reach about 1.5 million using my audience and my target CPM at the bid. All right, all right. I can skip this part and create later. Let me go to my campaign. Okay. Okay. So it's telling me the ad will run from May 4 to May 8, 2020. The goal of the campaign is brand awareness. I'm willing to spend $5 per day. Viewable CPM, standard tag, it's English. ABCD. Okay, so I can create the actual ad. Okay. So this gives you an overview how people will be looking at your ad. Okay. So URL, I'll still maintain facebook.com/IG. Okay, let me just add HTTPS at the beginning. HTTPS. Okay. All right. I need to add the images, the headlines. Let me start with the headline. I'll add the images later. Let me just start with the headlines. So the headline, I'll say learn digital marketing. Learn digital marketing. I'll say maybe, okay, I'll leave that, learn digital marketing. Then the second headline you should be seeing here, they'll be saying this should be like the title of the headlines that people be seeing, learn digital marketing. The second one, I'll say free of charge, marketing, free of charge. Okay. Then free of charge, and I'll say using latest technology. So these are my attention grabbing headlines that people, whenever they look at it, they'll be like, okay, maybe let's click on this link and check it out. Okay. And then another one, I'll say another headline will be, what should I put? Like digital marketing, free of charge, using latest technology on social media. I'll say that on social media. On social media, yeah. Okay. So the ad is showing up. It's slowly showing up here. Then I'll put a description. I'll say learn how to market yourself, market your services, services or brand using digital platforms free of charge at zero cost. Maybe we're saying at zero cost. Okay. So that's how it be displayed. And I'll say another description: learn at your own free time. Learn at your own free time. Okay. Right. So business name is Blanche Senga. Okay. Now let me just pause this. Then I should find the images that I should upload. Then get back to you. Okay. So I was setting up my images. So if you can open up this folder, I have some images here that I will use to display the ads. Okay. But now Google has specific sizes for the ads. So if you can go to their support, you see the pixels that they want: 300 by 250 or 320 by ABCD. Yeah, so you can go through it and see the required sizes. So come here and hit add images. Then if you put your website link there, it goes to your website and gets the images that are there so that you can use. Else you can upload. When you see upload here, you can upload new images. Okay. So I'll choose some from the link from my Facebook page. So I can say set as this one should be set as a logo. Yeah, so they'll crop somewhere there, but maybe they should crop somewhere there where there's my face. Okay. So say continue. Then I can choose another one. Let me choose that one, use as an image. It'd be cropped. Okay. Go ahead. Then I can also upload some. So let me just upload those files. So I'll upload this one. Okay. All right. Then I'll upload another one. I think that's okay. Then I say save. Okay. So let's see how the ad has improved. Okay, it's loading here. Okay, you see, this is how the ads will be displayed on a mobile or something. Okay, I think that's okay. You see, so learn how to market your services on social media. This will be another way to be displayed to the user. Learn digital marketing free of charge, or learn at your own free time. Okay, I think this is pretty okay for this demonstration. I'll go ahead now. I'll say save. Oh, forgot one heading there. So I'll say learn digital marketing free of charge at zero cost and at your free time. Okay, yeah, that will be the long. Okay, so let me hit save. So it's saving. Okay, now it's here. If you look at this other section here, there is some keywords that we can prioritize so that our ad should reach more people. Okay, so I'll go on keywords. So show me the audience. No, I said key. Okay, yeah. So there are no keywords enabled. The keywords are the terms that the people use to search on Google. So I'll go ahead and add those keywords so that our campaign should be associated with those keywords. So since we talk about digital marketing, if somebody is searching about digital marketing, my page should be, my ad should be displayed. So I will light all those keywords here, one line at a time. So I'll say, if somebody is saying is searching digital marketing, my ad should be displayed. If you look this side, it will tell us, okay, the keywords that we've used, you can reach 330,000 impressions. Okay, I'll go ahead and add another keyword. I know people might be also searching Google Ads. So whenever they're searching Google Ads, my ad should be displayed. Okay, so if you look this side as well, now we are at 490,000 impressions, which is pretty good. I know some people will be searching search engine optimization. All right, so whenever they're searching search engine optimization, my ad should also be displayed. So I'm just utilizing the things that people would normally search for to get to my brand. So I'll say, okay, this now will reach a 530, which is okay. You can put as many keywords as you want that you want to target. Another easy way how to do it, you can also get keyword ideas from a website that you know that they're doing good when it comes to those type of services. For example, I know Google, they're doing good. They're the father of digital marketing. Okay, so I'll say google.com, get some keywords from google.com that I can copy. All right. So I'm saying digital marketing, my keyword will be digital marketing, my service. All right. Okay. So Google, these keywords. Okay, maybe I can just add someone searching for Google. All right. Yeah. Oh, this makes sense. So now, yeah, digital marketing, I can add it. Oh, I already added digital marketing, but somebody will be saying what is digital marketing, which is true. So I can add it there. Google Online Marketing course, somebody would say that I want my ad to be displayed. Yeah. What else? Digital marketing company, for example. Okay. All right. I'll just add those, but you can have your own website according to your services that you want to get some keywords from it. Keywords are very key. That's why the word is keyword. All right. So now that's it. So now, if I can go to the overview of my ad. So now my ad hasn't started showing yet, but it will be showing. Now the status here is showed, it's enabled. All right. So basically that's how you do Google Ads. You can check your audience, the audience that you targeted. Remember, we talked about some people doing marketing, ABCD. That's our audience. So here is our audience. This is the audience that we are targeting. And here you see the clicks from the target audience. How many clicks or impressions did you get from that target audience? So everything that you need according for your campaign, it's under this dashboard, the keywords, the landing pages, etc. And now remember, we gave our campaign the title brand awareness tutorial. So that's it, and that's our target group. We had one target group, ad group, which is this ad group one. We can have many ad group under one campaign, targeting different people. You can also have different campaigns running simultaneously. All right, that's how we can do Google Ads. See you in the next tutorial.